So we are familiar with quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, which gives us a graph called parabola and has roots. Roots are basically x-intercepts of the graph. So to find the nature of our roots, we use what we call a discriminant, and we represent it with the symbol delta. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. It is also part of quadratic formula. You will notice your discriminant under the square root sign. So if your discriminant is less than 0, which means it's negative, then you don't have any real roots, which means the graph doesn't touch the x-axis, because you can't have a square root of a negative number. If your discriminant is equals to 0, then you have two equal roots, which means the graph only touches the x-intercept once, and the x-intercept would be a turning point of the graph. And when your discriminant is greater than 0, you have two unequal roots, which means you're gonna have two x-intercepts which are not equal. If your discriminant is a perfect square, then your roots will be rational. And if your discriminant is not a perfect square, then you're gonna have roots that are irrational.